for a beautiful new home project, some new siding, windows, and screens, you've got to come here to Paramount Siding and Windows. I'm with the owner, Brandon O'Leary. It's so nice to meet you, Brandon.
It's nice meeting you.
I love this beautiful showroom. It's brand new, and you have so many options to choose from.
We do, and we wanted to kind of showcase all the options we do provide. We work in a lot of residential remodeling homes. We work directly with homeowners. I always tell customers we're kind of more of a general contractor when it comes to, we're not building homes, but we work with a wide variety of products, and we have different crews that specialize in installing all the different variations of products. So what we put together here in our showroom here in Littleton is we have 4 different rooms that are set up specifically for each different type of siding that we specialize in, and we do have 23 different window openings here displaying all the different colors, interior, exterior colors. There's a lot of different windows when it comes to vinyl options. We work with fiberglass and wood as well, and so we kind of put it all together, displaying all the different textures.
As far as the climate in Colorado, and we know it can be pretty harsh, are there certain products that are better for the climate?
There is. What we always do, though, we kind of figure out, with working with the homeowners, sometimes they're thinking of selling the home within the next few years, or it's going to be their forever home. So that a lot of dictates what products are best for their home, if it's a rental property, or again, what are they doing with the home, because there's a lot of good products out there. Traditionally, though, we work with homeowners that are been in their home for X amount of years, and they're just tired of painting it. They want to improve the energy efficiency, and so with those types of products, we work with a lot of pre-painted material through LP Smart Sides, probably our most popular. It comes pre-painted with a 30-year no-fade guarantee warranty on the paint. We also work with products like vinyl and steel that are virtually maintenance-free, and as well as one of our most popular ones is James Hardie siding. It's a fiber cement siding, holds up really well in the hail, and the overall climate here in Colorado.
Yeah,
for the most
they're a
part.
Very reputable company. I've heard of it many times.
No matter what product we, kind of land on, is making sure it's installed right. And that's kind of where we're more of an installation style company, not a sales company.
So you really set yourself apart there.
That's our biggest thing. A lot of our guys are they've been previous installers. That's our big, probably one of our biggest advantages, but it's a big puzzle that we're putting together. It's more than just putting siding and windows in a home.
Yeah, I think a lot of homeowners would consider their project like a big puzzle, and sometimes you need something brand new. Sometimes you need a repair. Do you all handle repairs as well?
We do. So we always tell customers to give us a call. We do a free estimate. Sometimes we get the mixture. We get customers that think they need a full house of replacement or new siding when really they just need a repair.
So whether it's a huge project or a smaller one, you can handle it here at Paramount.
Right. Just give us a call. We come out, we assess what needs to be done, and then we'll give you the recommendations and be able to start the process what needs to be done.
Another thing I just love about this showroom is you can touch and feel everything, try it all out. I love this, and this is a retractable screen that everyone's falling in love with, but who you're really going to fall in love with are the mascots here at Paramount Siding and Doors. This is Lil. Yeah, tell us about it, Lil. And there, that's sweet Casey. What a face. So not only do the dogs love this, the people are going to love this too. And what I love about this screen is it kind of stops along the way on the track.
That's right. So we're the authorized distributor for phantom retractable screens. These screens have been around for 27 years. This specific screen came out last year. This is what we use in all the large multi-panel doors. So we're able to cover a very large area up to about 12 feet wide and 10 feet high.
Wow.
And so it's unique because it has a zippered system all the way around. There's a lot of different screen meshes to choose from for colors and more privacy mesh like the one we're looking at here. And they're really easy to use. And there are different stopping points, so you can stop it at any point along your door.
Throw that all the way. It's beautiful. So whatever your home project is, whether you need new siding or just a repair or beautiful new windows and retractable screens, you've got to come here and see Brandon and his team here at Paramount Siding and Windows. Paramount Siding and Windows has a special offer for Colorado's best viewers. Get an extra 10% off if you schedule your project before October 31st. So call Paramount Siding and Windows today and lock in on that incredible savings. The number's 303-482-5656 or visit pswcolorado.com.